Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new videos. For more such videos, click on the link in the description.
Investing wisely is like embarking on a well-planned road trip. Just as you prepare your route and make sure you have a mix of destinations, building a diversified investment portfolio requires careful planning and a balanced approach. In this video, we'll explore how to create a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Understanding portfolio diversification. Diversification is a strategy that involves spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. In India, this typically includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Here are some key tips and strategies to build a diversified portfolio. Assess your risk tolerance. Before you start building your portfolio, assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with fluctuations in the value of your investments? Your risk tolerance will influence the mix of assets in your portfolio. Define your investment goals. Clearly define your financial objectives. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education? Your goals will determine your investment horizon and risk appetite. Asset allocation. Determine the allocation of your assets in your portfolio. A common approach is to have a mix of equity and debt based on your risk tolerance and investment horizon. For example, if you have a long-term horizon and high risk tolerance, you might allocate a larger portion to equities. Indian equities, stock market investments. Investing in Indian stocks can be rewarding but volatile. Consider diversifying within the stock market by investing in different sectors and market capitalizations like large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. Mutual funds and exchange trade funds or ETFs could be convenient options for diversifying your equity investments. Fixed income, bond investments. Bonds can provide stability to your portfolio. Indian government bonds, corporate bonds, etc. are popular choices. They offer regular interest income and could be your anchor for your portfolio, especially if you have a lower risk tolerance. Real estate investments. Real estate can be a valuable addition to your portfolio. In India, you can invest directly in properties or consider real estate investment trusts or REITs. REITs provide an opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio of income-generating real estate assets. Gold investments. Gold has historically been a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. You can consider including gold in your portfolio through physical gold, gold ETFs, and sovereign gold bonds. Alternative investments. You can explore alternative investments like mutual fund systematic investment plans or SIPs, which allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets regularly. Additionally, you could consider peer-to-peer lending platforms or startup investments, although these carry higher risk. Regular monitoring and rebalancing. Your portfolio isn't a set it and forget it strategy. Regularly review your investments and rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. This ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed. Stay updated on the Indian financial market and global economic trends. This knowledge could help you make informed decisions about your investments. Tax-efficient investing. In India, taxes can significantly impact your returns. Be aware of tax-saving investment options like equity-linked saving schemes or ELSS and the benefits of long-term capital gains on equities. Professional advice. If you're unsure about building a diversified portfolio, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your unique financial situations and goals. Case study, balancing act. Let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Ishan, a software engineer based in Bangalore, aims to build a diversified portfolio for his long-term goals. He decides on the following allocation: mutual funds 60%, fixed deposits 30%, national pension scheme 5%, SGB 5%. Ishan periodically reviews his portfolio and adjusts the allocation based on market conditions and his changing risk tolerance. This balanced approach helps him weather market fluctuations while steadily growing his wealth. In conclusion, building a diversified portfolio involves a mix of assets tailored to your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. By combining the right mix of assets, following a well-thought-out strategy, and periodically rebalancing, you can unlock the potential of financial success. Happy investing! Until we meet again, keep watching, keep learning.